Hi everyone, it's Deidre. Thank you so much for joining me for yet another video. Now today I'm extremely excited because we have an extra special look and tour of T.Lee Country Club and an exclusive apartment tour. So yes, you get to see inside these apartment units. So if you'd like to go ahead and see it, please stick around. Okay, everybody. So if you can remember our countdown of top 5 St. Catherine units, then you'll remember that T.Lee Country Club was our number one. This is the road leading to T.Lee Country Club, and I'm telling you guys, honestly, I am not too fond of this road. It is really in need of repair. However, I got confirmation that they will be working on these roads leading up to the development, so I really look forward to that. But apart from the roads, I must say that they are really doing a great job with T.Lee Country Club. So unfortunately, the detached units are completely sold out. However, they currently have on sale the apartment units. So the apartment units are going for 8.2 million to 8.5 million, and they are a total of 362 square feet. To check out the detached units, then we're going to come back and check out the apartment. So remember, they have 2 bedroom as well as 3 bedroom units. All the single detached units are sold out. So here is a unit going up, not up as yet. I'm trying to get an idea of the lot size. The gentleman said there were about 13 or 14 single units. I'm not sure, don't quote me on that. And here are a couple more. Really nice. Remember that T.Lee Country Club was our number one development for St. Catherine, and I'm so happy to see that construction is underway for these units. So let us go ahead and check out these. That work has begun on your units if you have already made your deposit for T.Lee Country Club. Remember that these single detached units are sold out. Here are two, just to show you what it is expected to look like. Okay, let's take a closer look. So this is going to be like the patio area. That maybe right here should be like the living and dining area right here. Okay, let's go over to your neighbor's unit. The columns are put up here. So this is the patio area. This is the living area. Oh, decent size living area. Of course, I'm going to come back once this is finished. This seems to be one of the bathrooms right here. A bedroom. This seems to be a 2 bedroom unit. So this is the bathroom size right here. This is one of your bedrooms right here. This seems to be maybe about Not sure if this is like the kitchen or wash area. Yeah, but it's really nice size, really a nice size. And yeah, we can check out the backyard around here. That's the backyard right here. Yeah, did you to get an appreciation of the lot size and the space between these units. Really great space between these two units. I'm all about space, land spacing, as you guys know, and I'm really impressed by the space that you have available here at T.Lee Country Club. Show you guys the foundation that has been dug out for another one of the units that will be put up shortly. Remember, expected completion is December 2021. Not sure if it's every single unit, but I saw that for the apartments, so we can look out for these by December 2021. Okay, so these are the apartment units. Up top you can see the rooftop deck right there. So I was told that this is a total of 8 units. So these are 8 units, and in total there's going to be 32. So 8, so we have 3 more that's going to be constructed along the stretch. So this is the first 8 that will be up. Remember that they are currently on sale, starting at 8.2 going to 8.5 million. It's 1 bedroom, 1 bath, and you have a kitchenette area in these units as well. So really nice. We're in one of the units. So you get like a living kitchenette area, separate and apart from your 1 bedroom. This is the 1 bedroom. Okay, let us check out your bathroom. Really loving this shower head and the bathroom space. You wouldn't imagine the bathroom would be this large. I'm impressed by that. Right there, I'm impressed by that. So your sink. Let's look again at this shower head that I'm so in love with. Okay, let's go back into the kitchen area. So this is the living and kitchen area. These are your cupboards. Remember that work is still going on. So yeah, it's your kitchen cupboard right here. This is really nice. It's a lot of space. It's a lot of space right here. And this is what leads out towards, that leads to the second floor. Remember, this is a total of 8 units right here. Work is still going on. Yeah, this passage leads out side of the complex. So really nice, guys. This is where you do your laundry, and you'd go ahead and put your laundry over here. Let's go ahead and take a closer look. This is the laundry area, and that's where you'd go ahead and put the laundry out here. This is for the apartments. You know, the detached units would have ample space to do their laundry. It's not bad. Upstairs, no. Remember, the units are the same. Everything is exactly the same. The fixtures are the same. But we're going to go ahead and check out the rooftop terrace. So this is our rooftop terrace where you have all the amazing views. Wow. Look at those views. So these are all the views that will await you right here from your rooftop terrace. I can feel this party going on here. I mean, this is amazing. So we get views of Green Acres in the distance. There is Green Acres. I'm telling you guys, these views are to die for. And over there we have, I think that is Mercury Gardens as well. So quite a few developments in this area. That's Green Acres right there. I think that's Seville Meadows we're looking at. I'm not sure. Some really nice plains. I'm just telling you guys, these views are just incredible views. Really amazing. Remember, starting at 8.2 to 8.5 for these units. Upstairs now, still going to be enjoying the scenic views that we have here from our rooftop terrace. It's really amazing. Work going on still on one of these units. As you can see, exact same fixtures as the one that we saw downstairs. Okay, everyone, so these are my final thoughts on T.Lee Country Club. As you know, I'm not fond of the road leading up to the development. However, they have indicated that work will go into that. So, yay, that should not be an issue of concern. Apart from the road, I am in love with the lot size. I love the scenic views that this development offers. I mean, they were number one for a reason. Immobilian, they are really going all out with this development, and I've seen previous work from them, so I know that they're really great developers, and T.Lee Country Club will be just that. So if you're interested, you can give them a call at 876-632-4188. As usual, please have a great day, guys, and remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe.